She sophisticated head to the toes, acting like a lady, she ain't acting like these hoes. She don't need me, she got her own. Independent woman and it shows. She may be laughing, but I know that she ain't kidding. We ain't keeping secrets, but I stay out of her business.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today's video, excuse all of this, okay? Because I've literally been ripping and running the streets. Believe it or not, I started this video out as a vlog. Didn't work. So first I'm going to show y'all all the frames I got and the pictures I printed, and then I'm going to speed up the video and just show me making the gallery wall. First frames I picked up are these very cute I don't know if this is like antique-y, but I liked it because like the little frames just gave me antique vibes, and I just think these frames are so pretty. Like, I'm always torn between my style, my taste, because I always love girly antique stuff, but then I sometimes like modern stuff, and then I was like, I'm just gonna mix it. So I got these two frames from Home Goods, and they were both $6.99, so $7. And then the rest of my frames came from Walmart. So I got a 2-pack 4x6, just plain black frame. I got another plain black frame 4x6, or it can be a 6x8 if you take out the white. And these are like really cheap. These are plastic. They were like, this was like $2. This was like $1 or maybe $2, so super cheap. I got an 8x10, a white frame, because I'm gonna mix all of these colors and just mix, you know, the gallery wall. So I wanted a white frame. I got an 8x10 from Walmart. This was maybe $3. I got a 10x13 plain plastic. This was probably $2 or $3 because it's the cheap plastic one from Walmart. This oval one from Walmart, 8x10, or it could be a 5x7 if you leave the frame, if you leave the white parts. And it's a circled oval, you know, throw some shape in there. Also, y'all remember that even if a picture is like rectangular, you don't have to hang it this way. You can hang it horizontal as well. And then I got a gold one from Walmart. This one looks really nice. This one was a little thicker. This one was a little more expensive. This one may have been $12. It was more of the pricey ones. And then this one from Walmart too. This one isn't, well, it's a heavier plastic if it is plastic. This is the 8x10, and this is from Walmart. This one probably was like $8. So those two are the most ones I paid from Walmart. Now, for all my photos that I got printed, I literally got on my phone, literally in the parking lot of Walgreens, downloaded some pictures to my phone from the internet, from Google, my daddy, and I printed them from Walgreens. They all were printed on like this little photo paper. This one says, enjoy the little things in life, for one day you will look back and realize they were the big things. This quote means a lot to me because that's how I feel. Like, every little moment we have right now in life is a big deal, and it all matters. A plant. These are gonna look really good on the wall, I think. A world's map, if y'all can see. This image came out a little blurry, but I already knew it was gonna come out blurry, so I don't care. Namaste, you get it. A zebra. Feather zebra, kind of can match my pillow, you know. So those are all my frames. I am gonna have the prices, the sizes listed in the description box if y'all are curious. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, so I'm starting this project off. I've already laid out all my frames in the design that I like. So you want to make sure you lay out all your frames first, however you would like them to look on the wall, and then just pair them up with all your printed photos. So play around with it, take your time, twist the photos around, twist the frames around, just play with it, and you know that this is your design. You can do it however you want, and pair the pictures like with the frames that go well with it, like the black frame with the Vogue, the gold frame with the Namaste. Like, just play around, see what looks better, what looks best anyways, before you waste your time hanging them all up and stuff like that. Next, here is the fun part. We get to go ahead and add them to the wall. Y'all, this is the cheapest DIY, literally, because I'm using thumbtacks. So if you live in an apartment or someplace, you know, where you don't want to mess up the walls with nails, or even don't even want anything permanent on your walls, use a thumbtack to hang your pictures. So I already know how I want my pictures to look because I took a picture of them laid out on the floor. So I'm just using my phone as a guide to hang all the photos. Alright y'all, so I'm almost finished here, and remember y'all, you can keep these frames for future projects, replace the pictures, so this isn't a permanent thing. Keep that in mind. This took me all of 10 minutes to hang up, if that. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all the finished look soon. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next one. And look, we're all done.